Welcome to this tutorial on the WFM 5000 and 4000 series waveform monitors. In the latest version of firmware, version 1.2.4, we have a new feature ideally suited for camera applications called TandemVu. To enable TandemVu, press and hold either the waveform or vector button to bring up the menu. Once the menu is enabled, you'll see a variety of controls. Use the up and down arrows or the general knob to move to the display overlay setting. Move to the right to select the waveform and vector overlaid together. Now you will be able to see the waveform and vector simultaneously overlaid on top of each other. Press waveform to dismiss the menu. Now any selection you do for the waveform, moving up or down or left or right, will control the waveform. Simply select vector to then have all the controls of the vector display, moving it up or left or right, or any of the other configurations available for the waveform or vector menus. One of the displays that I like to place up together that's ideal for camera applications is to show a single waveform Y channel and the vector display simultaneously available. To do this configuration, we need to first press and hold the waveform menu to disable the PB and PR channels, so just select those to off. Now we have a single trace of the waveform Y channel. We need now to select the overlay mode. This will allow us in the sweep menu to push and hold that to bring up the selection for the various number of lines that we can display. In this selection, move over to the right to select two-line mode. Now the waveform display has two lines for its configuration. Using the waveform menu highlighted, move the Y channel over to the far left-hand side of the display. Now you've got the waveform displayed for the Y channel on the left-hand side. Select the vector and now position its controls to the far right-hand side. Now you have clear views of both the waveform Y channel and the vector simultaneously available. So when you're doing camera balance controls, you can simply see and make adjustments directly with the Y and vector display. Camera operators and field operators like to be able to see the luma channel and the color difference information available in the vector display at the same time.